Let's have a look at this reference design for a dual output power supply using InnoMux 2. InnoMux 2 is a single-stage flyback IC specifically designed for multi-output power supplies. It allows you to eliminate all the downstream DC-to-DC post regulators, improve system efficiency, and at the same time maintain accurate regulation on all of the outputs. For cost effectiveness, this design features diode rectification on the secondary side. The system efficiency is over 86% at full condition from end to end. Now let's have a closer look at the board. The DER-714 can deliver 52 watts continuous power and up to 82 watts peak power. The input is from 90 to 265 volt AC, and this power supply is configured for a 12 volt constant voltage output, plus a single channel constant current output for an LED string. This board comes with a 2-pin dimming function, and you can use it for either analog or PWM or hybrid dimming modes. It's designed for TV, monitors, or any applications with display function or LED lighting. So since this is an evaluation board, the components are actually quite spread out for testing and measurement purposes. However, if it's for an actual production board, the size would be substantially reduced. Now let's have a look at the bottom side of the board. The InnoMux 2 EPIC connects the primary side and the secondary side of the circuit. A 650 volt primary MOSFET is in the IC. This IC comes in a thermally efficient INSOP24 package, and this package can deliver up to 100 watts power. The source pin of the IC is connected to the copper pore area over here. This is great because the IC can then fully utilize PCB cooling. And as a result, heat sinks won't be needed anymore. Moving on to the secondary side. Because of the low system cost requirement, this design uses a diode for the secondary side rectification. For any other applications with higher efficiency requirements, you can also choose the SR version of the InnoMux 2 device. For this particular design, if we use an SR, we can improve the efficiency by more than 2%. Two independent feedbacks are used here to be able to sense and regulate the output separately. This FET here is for the 12 volt output, and we call it the steering FET or the selection FET. Using this, we're able to steer power only to the output that's requesting it. This is the blocking diode on the LED output, and this MOSFET regulates the current through the LED string. By controlling the selection FET and directing power flow, we can control the regulation accuracy of each output to be within ±3%, including all tolerances. Feedback 1 and feedback 2 sense the outputs independently, and the InnoMux 2 secondary side sends a request for switching cycle to the primary side. Through this PI unique isolation barrier crossing technology, FluxLink, this completely eliminates any optocouplers. So when the selection FET is on, the secondary energy only goes to 12 volt. And when the selection FET is off, the energy is only delivered to the LED output. As you can see, there are no DC-to-DC post regulators on the board. The component count reduction can be up to 50%, and this is all thanks to InnoMux 2's single-stage power architecture and its ability to regulate each output accurately, eliminating the need for any DC-to-DC converters. For more information about InnoMux 2, visit power.com.